This is a quick guide to show recommended sensor position. After installing Hx Nitro printer in the production line, it is important to mount the sensor properly to achieve more print per minute by reducing delay before print. There are two types of sensor output that can connect to Hx Nitro: PNP input and NPN input. Hx Nitro provides 12-volt DC for these types of print sensor. This diagram illustrates product, printer, and sensor distance. The time delay before printing depends on the distance of the sensor from the nozzle. A shorter distance between the sensor and the printer causes higher print quantity per minute. Therefore, it is best to install the sensor closer to the nozzle row. Installation notes. The sensor's distance from the printer's nozzles should not exceed the product distance and the product length. The print time is the total of the delay time and the duration of the actual message printing. This time should not be longer than the time of the next product to reach the sensor. It is best to install the sensor closer to the printer. In high-speed production lines, the most important parameter is the delay time, and it should be set closer to 0. For products that are longer than the printer's width, the sensor should be installed after the printer. By doing this, the delay time can be reduced to a minimum or even 0. In the diagram below, the correct installation of sensor for long product is shown in the left image. The time delay before printing depends on the distance of the print area to the edge of the product. In the diagram below, the recommended installation of sensor for high-speed and short-length product is shown in the left image. For more information, please contact technical@maplejet.com.